So what projects are you working on right now?
Well, we got the original 68 Bug that we got from Santa Barbara. This one's going to be patina. It's going to be gloss coated like this.
Right.
The pan's fully repaired. Just put the body back on. Got a lot of work to do on this. Just got to find the time.
Awesome. Wow. We also got some over here too. We're working on those too?
This is the 64 Bug that we got in Hume Lake with Grandma when we drove up there in the snow to go fetch this one from Hume Lake. This one, the engine's in the garage, has a lot of work to do. This is going to be a total frame off restoration. Try and make it as original as possible. When I have the time, I'll start working on this one after I finish that one.
After the first one, yeah.
The 68.
What about this one? What are we thinking about this one?
So this is a 69 Bug, which has a IRS independent rear suspension, which this one's going to get turned into a class 11 Bug, which is kind of an off-road kind of bug that I'll get to that after that one and that one. Well, no, I may do this one soon because I want to drive in the desert and have fun with it. So this is kind of on the higher
Right. Higher on the list.
higher
for
on
sure.
the list. There's the one I got in idle while. I don't think it's run. Maybe we had it running once. I don't know. I haven't looked at it for a while. But this is on the list. When I have time, I'll get to this one.
Right. Oh, we got one here too. What's the story about this one?
This is the 65 Bug that we drove, and it caught on fire.
Yep.
It was running for a while, but now it's back to not running. I don't know. This is the one that also I bought a new distributor that I had to fix, and maybe it's wrong. I have plans for this one. This is going to get another full restoration and try and bring it back as original, repaint it, everything, ground up, new floor pans, nice engine, everything. That's on the list when I get time.
After the farm.
I think
And
this
after.
is fourth in line. I do want to get it drive. It is the only one that can drive. That's the only one that's registered, insured, that I could drive it to work, and I have driven it to work. So I do want to get it running just to have something else as a backup
Right.
when I get a chance. So I'm really low on time, and we're really low on space. So I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Well, this will be fun. I guess we can pick which bug we want to start working on.
Well, little problem with that.
Oh yeah.
A little kind of irony. I don't really have time and I don't really have space. But because of Facebook Marketplace,
Uh-oh.
there's a little something over there.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh,
we did
no.
it again. What do we have here?
What?
So this is a 1971 Carmen Ghia, the last year of the good bumpers. So this is pretty important for me to have a good bumper. I would prefer to have the little bullets, but beggars can't be choosers. So this was a really good deal on Marketplace. Bought it more or less from the original owner. Bought it from somebody who had it for 4 years from the original owner, but they never touched it. So he held it for me for 4 years from the original owner. So yeah, it's in pretty good shape. It's got 70,000 miles. If you do a little walk around the outside, the body's in pretty good shape. The pans are perfect. There's no rust hardly anywhere on the whole thing. The interior is in pretty good shape. Well, ignore this. I don't know what's going on here. This car has not run since 2008. It has been sitting unregistered for whatever math that turns out, 17 years. So this is the interior. It's pretty nice. The original color wasn't this red. The original color, if you look in the back there, was that green back in the back. So that was the original color. The guy didn't know hardly anything about it either that I bought it from, but it's in pretty good condition. I think these are, I don't know, original seats maybe. Not really sure, but the headliner's in great shape. The dash is there. The horn ring is not broken, or is it broken? Let's see, is it this? No, this, I don't know if that's broken or if it has a nub. All right, so it's broken. I'll get another one. Let's see, what else? It's pretty much all original. It's got, again, it hasn't run in 17 years, so we're gonna take our time to get it running. But I think, that looks like it should run pretty easily. They just just let it sit in the garage for years. So in theory, it shouldn't take too much to get running. We'll see how that goes.
Though, probably.
Yeah, definitely get a new battery since this one expires October 7. And for those watching YouTube in 100 years from now, today is 2025. So that's 18 years.
Just a bit later than that.
Been expired. But overall, this is like the only rust I saw in the car. This little hole, which doesn't surprise me being underneath the battery. So we'll just weld in a little piece there. But yeah, it looks pretty original and complete and stock. Missing a couple tail light covers, but that's easy to get. What else? The front. Let's take a look in the front.
Oh, this door as well.
Oh yeah, the door. That door has a little trouble opening. We'll have to figure that out.
Yeah, a little bit of a safety hazard, but again, beggars can't be
Choosers.
choosers. Choose.
And there's that. I think the wheel's supposed to go down here, but there's some junk down there. So, yeah, I think I have a pretty good base to start with. The goal on this one, I think it's now jumped to first in line from the other ones because I just want to get this running so I can drive it around. So this is now the new project just because it's cool and
Also, the glove
sporty.
box.
The
Glove box is a big glove box now.
So yeah, reach into the giant glove box. So that's on there. I'm assuming it looks like the wiring's fine. It looks like everything's fine. Again, it's been sitting for a while and it got parked in semi-running condition. So we shall see. Yeah, it looks like it's complete. That's as much as I haven't even really looked at it yet until you just turn the camera on, other than when I went to go buy it. There was a little bit of rust down here, which I think is common on Gias.
Oh, interesting.
So we'll have to patch that with a little, get that welder out and cut that out and repaint it. Get that.
Until we look under the carpet in the hole.
Oh, like the
hole
other one?
there.
No, it's actually, if you can get under there, you can see the pan. It's pretty clean from underneath. So.
Oh, getting under this.
Yeah, so if we can.
Oh yeah.
Look under there.
Cool.
So it has disc brakes up front, drums in the back,
I love these.
and yeah, nice little smooth. And they're all there. All the trim's there. All the trim on the whole car seems to be there. So yeah, haven't had a Gia since college, so this is going to be kind of cool. Get the little sporty fellow up and going.
Well, let's just hope nothing takes its place in line.
There's no more room. This is the last for now.
There wasn't any more room.
Oh, that's true. I said that before. But no, for real this time. I gotta start moving some out so I can.
We got a perfectly good driveway right here.
Oh, we could borrow our neighbor's driveway. That's true. She doesn't use it that much, so that should be fine. All right,
Cool.
That's the new project.
Yay!
We'll be taking you through the whole process of getting it up and running, because that should be kind of cool seeing. Will it run? We'll do one of those will it runs and see if we can get that up and going one of these days.
Awesome. All right. Signing off.
Ciao.